How to use Replit for Python. Follow these instructions. Sign up or log into your Replit account to access the online coding platform without needing to install Python locally. Click Create REPL. Choose Python from the language list and name your project for easy identification later. Use the built-in editor to write Python code with features like syntax highlighting, autocomplete, and error detection. Run your code instantly with the Run button and view results in the integrated console output panel below the editor. Install external Python libraries using the Packages tab or pip commands directly in the Replit shell. Save your project and use the Share button to collaborate in real time with others or invite them to edit. Deploy or host your Python scripts on Replit, making them accessible online without extra hosting services. Thank you for watching.